Has anyone now got a question about matter?
Hey Courtney, what's happening?
Not much, Amy.
I'm very good, thank you. So tell me, what you've been up to, things that you like to do. I want to know everything, just tell me.
Not
Go
a
ahead.
lot studying mainly.
And how's it going?
Yeah,
Kind of.
Yeah.
Okay, but you'll get there, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
And how's it going with the natural sciences?
Yeah, I don't really like natural science.
But you're working hard?
Yeah.
You promise?
No.
Okay. Let's see what your question is and you and I will chat later.
What do we mean when we say matter cycles through a system?
Well, guys, what do we mean?
You've just learned that energy is neither created nor destroyed. Energy flows through an ecosystem and is merely transformed from one form into another. Unlike energy, the Earth is what is called a closed system. As far as matter is concerned, matter cannot leave the Earth and no new matter enters the Earth. Therefore, the nutrients and other matter on the Earth are cycled and recycled. Matter is used over and over. Carbon is a major element making up all living organisms. Carbon is bound in living organisms in the structure of carbohydrates that make up our bodies. Carbon cycles through the Earth systems in the form of carbohydrates and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. It is also found in the soil in the form of other compounds. Nitrogen is bound in living organisms in the structure of proteins. Nitrogen also cycles through the Earth systems. All matter is constantly cycling through the Earth systems. Atoms that once made up a dinosaur millions of years ago could very well be part of your body today. You're going to answer some questions which explore how carbon cycles through the ecosystem. Follow the instructions in your workbook carefully. The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity. Carbon is recycled from plant matter to animals into the environment in a continuous cycle. All matter is recycled through the systems on the Earth in a similar fashion.
So what's up, Leandra?
Life's good.
I like to hear that. How the studies going?
I haven't exactly started as yet,
But you're confident.
very.
Okay, I like that. But now, before we go too far, you've got a natural science question.
I do.
I'll come back to that. Tell me a little bit about Leandra.
Well, I love school, I love working, studying, exams.
You like exams?
I love them.
Really?
Yes.
Jeez, that's a new one.
And yeah.
That's about rounds it up.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Now we can get to your question in that camera.
What is sustainable development?
Well, guys, what is it?
You've asked an important question, Asanda. Humans have to learn about sustainable development. Sustainable development means using resources to meet needs today in such a way that we can meet the needs of tomorrow too. The environment and the matter in the environment, such as metals, coal, soil, water and organisms, are protected and conserved. They are not wasted or used inefficiently. Climate must not be upset and environments must not be degraded. Economic and social needs for shelter, food and security must be met, but not at the expense of the needs of future generations. It does not make sense to waste resources now and let our children starve in the future. How can you make a difference in terms of sustainable development? As a class, discuss the environment that your school is situated in. It may be a city school or in the suburbs. It may be located on a hill or near the coast. You may have a forest or an open grassland near your school. Pick one of these areas and focus your discussion on this area. What can you as learners do to encourage sustainable development in your area? The learner will now pause the DVD and attempt the activity. Don't think that your voices will not be heard. Invite people from local government to your school to tell them what you've learned. Show them your projects. You've learned a great deal this year. Share it with as many people as you can. Energy and matter are closely linked concepts that make life on Earth possible. Energy flows through systems, while matter is recycled through systems. That's all we have time for today. From me, your host Aubrey, have a good one.
Okay guys, wow. I don't even know where to start. Can you believe we've already hit lesson 50? We're done. It's time to just keep going. I'm going to see you guys very soon, I hope. I hope you're working very, very hard, and good luck.